July 13th, 2015. I have here Proceedings of the Natural Philosophy Alliance 20th Annual Conference of the NPA, 10 July to 13 July 2013. So literally exactly 2 years ago. And I've come really far. Here's the original paper in this book, page 364 to 367. I need to update a lot of it because I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh my god, there's so much more. There's so much more to do. There's so much more to add. And I say this because I'm going to start writing the complete everything that I've come to understand over this past 2 years. And it's a whole hell of a lot more than originally hypothesized, I guess you could say. But the main paper for that will be Main Concepts for Explaining Star Evolution, Planet Formation, according to the General Theory of Stellar Metamorphosis. And here I have a paper I have written in Roman numerals, you know, all the way down, some main concepts. That's page 2. Here's page 3. Here's page 4. Lots of stuff here. Here's page 5. Here's page 6. I also need to include the Lorentz force and study more about that. And last but not least, extra notes in the back. So literally, I have a lot to do. I have a whole hell of a lot of work to do. Overviewing the differentiation process, overviewing chemistry, acids, bases, redox reactions, the role of gravitation, changing pressure internally and external pressure, temperature, heat, endothermic, exothermic reactions, the enthalpies of formations concerning molecules, you know, rocks and minerals, trans concepts such as Peltier effect, Seebeck effect, and natural thermocouples, changes in mass including rates of mass loss to solar flaring, coronal mass ejections, radiation impacts, and photoevaporation. See, it's much more complicated than I thought in the beginning. Well, to be honest with you, I knew it was going to be something of this magnitude, but that's why I had originally emailed professors around the world, most of them being in the United States, obviously, because that's where I live. But a lot of them just, you know, who cares? So now I'm forced to work on it without their help, without, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars in grant money, without, you know, tools to do experiments with. All I have, to be honest with you, is the internet and my own creativity and the help of others and their support of getting the idea out there and maybe showing some blind spots, because I know I have a lot of blind spots. But there it is. The main paper, I think, is number 149 on Vixra. 149? Yeah. I think it's 149. I just updated it yesterday. And I'm also going to update it again because I need to organize this a little bit better. I had some Roman numerals in here that I had written like twice. Hydraulic and pneumatic properties of the stars. That was Roman numeral 28. It went to actually Roman numeral 15. So yeah, there's a lot of work to do. There's also a lot of work to do inside of this, as well as, you know, I added the population 1, 2, 3, and 4 per the ages of the star. not the populations that Bade gave them back in 1930s, 1940s, somewhere around there. So basically there's a lot more work to do. That's what I'm going to be focusing on over the next couple months, and I just wanted, people to see that there is work being done, that I'm not going to waste my time with arguing other things that distract me or detract from my overall work ethic, if you will. Yeah, today is July 13th, 2015. I think that sums it up pretty well. Alright, everybody, have a good day.